I love to take risk in my life. I'm a big risk taker because I believe if you don't take risk, you don't reach the next step in your life. 400 square meter, 4 bedroom, and third one, living and kitchen should be beautiful. Bedrooms, I don't care. I wanted to buy a house for myself first. Second reason, definitely for my parents. I want to make them feel proud. Family makes a home. Family is the most important thing in my life. My parents, my friends, when I have like all of my 6 or 7 friends sitting with me, all of us are child in my home. So I think that's the best part, that you can have your inner child come out only when you have that comfort zone. Tarneit was the only location where I could get all these 3 things within my budget. There's a lot of Indian community people lives over there. So I want to give my parents a feeling of their own community. I'm a great saver, guys, first of all. What worked for me, open a different account in a different financial institution. Target was to at least contribute 10% every time salary hits my account. Set a reminder to check every 3 months that how much did I reach? Okay, 3 months over, okay, you're doing good. Okay, 6 months, oh yeah, you're doing great. A year, let's go for house hunting. As soon as it settled, I was like calling my mom. Hi, this is Kiran, sole owner of number 4 Street, Tarneit, Victoria 3029, Australia. To my best friend, hi Nikki. Another call, my brother, sole owner. Oh my God, I love that feeling. That home feeling I achieved by looking at the things in my house that I did everything by myself, from a spoon in my kitchen to the king bed that I sleep on. It just gives me the feeling of ownership, no compromises. I think that if you're determined, if your attitude is like, okay, this is what I want, nothing in this world can stop you. I found a way, guys. I found a way. You can find too. Yeah, good job.